All right, so I wanted to show you guys when you first get to a new exercise that you've never done before, a lot of them will say, hey, let's calibrate it. So you can either, at the top it says take a strength test, or you can calculate your weight, or you can swap it out if you want to try something else. So calculate your weight is one of the easiest ways to do it. So let's say you've done this exercise before, or you kind of have a rough idea of where you'd want to start, and it'll ask you what your 5-rep max is, and then it'll calculate where you should start based on that. If it's wrong, that's okay. All you do is just adjust, manually put in your weight or reps or whatever it is once you actually do the exercise. But let's say you want to take the strength test. So let's do that. Okay, so it's going to say, do 5 reps with 25 pounds. And then how hard was it? Very easy to very hard. Couldn't do 5 reps, so if you fail and it's too much, then you can calculate that pretty quickly. But let's say that it starts you off here and you have to go through a lot of these. Those are sets. And so what it will do is you're going to go until it finds your max, and then it's going to calculate where you should go from there. So if it's your first, especially when it's your first workout in general, it's going to do this a lot to you. I don't want you to go past 3 to 4 sets total. So that includes these sets right here where you're getting your your baseline down, because otherwise you're going to be super sore. You're going to be sore anyhow. Soreness is very normal when you're first getting back into something. I don't want you overly sore to the point where you can't walk the next day or two. Sorry. So just make sure that you're stopping. So make sure that you're stopping at that 3 to 4 sets, and then you'll be good to go. And then just skip the rest of them, put zeros on the reps and the weight, and that way you can complete the whole workout and it will count it as done.